दयार इश्क में अपना मकाम पैदा कर, नया जमाना नए सुबह शाम पैदा कर।
College of Air Defense, Center of Excellence for Air Defense Training. Founder of CAD rightly anticipated the requirement for achieving centralized, organized and modernized next-generation air defense training standards to meet future challenges while retaining professional ascendancy. CAD is established with a superior set of all-encompassing strategic vision, mission and core values, equipping CAD with progressive direction and value set. In line with strategic vision, the three constituent schools with rich history and experience have been moved to PAF Academy Askar Khan to form College of Air Defense. CAD is fully established and configured to fulfill its role and task. The college design uniquely boasts of integrated infrastructure, curriculum, faculty and training facilities seamlessly knit with country-wide SIMNet, truly enabling integration of concepts at tactical to strategic level. CAD offers specialized, progressive and comprehensive air defense systems, basic operational and ops conversion training alongside exclusive character, instructional, command and leadership training to groom sound leaders, instructors, mission commanders and operators. The college utilizes the expertise of Jinnah Center of Character and Leadership, JCCL, to produce aerospace leaders of character. The college offers a unique blend of cutting-edge combat commanders, course-qualified and highly experienced instructors in all domains of systems, simulations, operations, instructional, command and leadership. Trainees can benefit from personalized guidance, coaching and mentorship from seasoned instructors. College imparts training through collaborative, activity and scenario-based training strategies supported by indigenous next-generation training solutions and coaching skills. Special emphasis is laid on critical thinking, effective decision-making, articulate planning and execution, preparing trainees to be effective leaders in their respective services. The indigenously developed, state-of-the-art JSSC serves as cornerstone of training at CAD. Situated in the ecosystem of Pakistan Air Force Academy Askar Khan, college enjoys integration with College of Flying Training, College of Aeronautical Engineering, Flying Instructors School and School of Air Traffic Services. The trainees can truly immerse into local culture by visiting nearby centuries-old sites, can also enjoy cultural events, local dress, and enjoy shopping trips to Pakistan's capital Islamabad and provincial capital Peshawar.